Okay, I think we can all agree that we don't like how this looks. We all want the first and second sentence to be in two separate lines in that same cell. So, some of you will sit here and play with the column width and hope that you can get it right, but that doesn't always work because sometimes you need to adjust the column for other information in that column. And this is my favorite when people do this instead. They'll come up here and just keep hitting that space bar until it lines up. But then that doesn't always work because if you have to adjust the column for other information, look, that looks ridiculous. So I'm going to show you what to do. This is the right way to make two sentences in two separate lines in a cell. You ready? Here you go. Control Enter. Come on up here. Put the cursor there. Control Enter. Boom. You now have two separate lines of text for your column. You want to add a third line? No problem. Let's come up here. Here's our third line. Move the cursor, control enter, boom. Three lines of text, all in separate lines within the same cell. You're welcome. Control enter.